Hello everyone and welcome. Today, we'll be discussing Wi-Fi Protected Access 2, WPA2, its advantages, disadvantages, and why it became the most widely used security protocol in wireless networking. Let's dive in. WPA2 was introduced in 2004 as an improvement over WPA. It replaced TKIP encryption with ES, Advanced Encryption Standard, making it far more secure. Today, WPA2 is the most widely used security protocol for Wi-Fi networks. WPA2 improves security by replacing TKIP with AES encryption, ensuring data remains private. It also introduces CCMP, a protocol that prevents tampering. WPA2 is available in two versions: personal for home users and enterprise for corporate environments that require stricter authentication. WPA2 has several key advantages. Its AES encryption makes it highly secure, and CCMP ensures data isn't altered during transmission. The enterprise version offers enhanced authentication for businesses, making WPA2 the go-to security standard for most networks. While WPA2 is strong, it's not invincible. The KRACK attack, discovered in 2017, exposed vulnerabilities in the protocol. Additionally, the encryption process can slow down older devices. It also requires strong passwords because weak credentials can still be exploited. While WPA2 has served us well, WPA3 is now taking over. It offers better protection against password attacks and introduces forward secrecy, ensuring that even if a key is compromised, past data remains secure. WPA3 is the future of wireless security. In summary, WPA2 remains a highly secure and widely used protocol, but it does have some weaknesses. Using strong passwords and keeping your devices updated is essential for protection. As WPA3 becomes more common, upgrading your security measures is highly recommended. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to follow for more insights on wireless security. Stay safe and secure online.